Meet the Mini Mic Pro, the wireless mini microphone built for creators who want clear, professional sound anywhere they go. Whether you are recording videos on your iPhone, Android, iPad, or laptop, this compact mic delivers studio-quality audio in a design so small you can clip it on and start recording instantly. With USB-C and Lightning adapters included, there is no app setup, no Bluetooth pairing, and no hassle. Just plug and play. It captures your voice clearly, reduces background noise, and even performs well outdoors with the included wind protection. Lightweight, durable, and rechargeable for up to 6 hours, the Mini Mic Pro is perfect for interviews, content creation, voiceovers, and everyday recording. If you want better sound and a more professional look, this is the mic to get.
Meet the Uplift 5, the facial toning device designed to help tighten skin and improve facial contours in just 5 minutes a day. Using advanced nanopulse technology, it helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and sagging skin while supporting a firmer, more youthful look, all without needles or surgery. Check the link in the description and follow Gadget Nexa for more. Meet the Amazon Echo Auto, the smart, hands-free Alexa device made for your car. Play music, make calls, send messages, and control your smart home using just your voice, even while driving. With a built-in fast charger and powerful microphones, it keeps you connected on the go. Check the link in the description.
Say goodbye to dust, crumbs, and hard-to-reach messes with the Hoto handheld car vacuum cleaner, a compact 4-in-1 cleaning tool built for everyday convenience. With powerful 20,000 PA suction and a high-speed brushless motor, it easily tackles dirt in your car, on your desk, around your keyboard, and throughout your home or office. But this is more than just a vacuum. It also works as an air duster, blower.
Tired of dust getting trapped in your keyboard, PC, car vents, or workspace? Meet the Wolfbox MegaFlow 50, the compact electric air duster built for powerful everyday cleaning. With an impressive turbofan speed of up to 110,000 RPM, it blasts away dust and debris in seconds. Whether you are cleaning electronics, gaming setups, laptops, cameras, car interiors, or hard-to-reach corners at home, this mini blower delivers strong and consistent airflow for every task. The MegaFlow 50 comes with 3 adjustable speed settings and 4 different nozzles, giving you the flexibility to clean delicate devices or tougher surfaces with ease. Unlike disposable compressed air cans, this reusable air duster is more economical, environmentally friendly, and designed for long-term use. It is lightweight, portable, and easy to carry anywhere. Plus, with fast Type-C charging and up to 240 minutes of runtime, it is always ready when you need it. Want this gadget for yourself? Check the link in the description. And for more smart gadgets like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gadget Nexa.